guys, today I'm going to be fixing my slime, so let's get started. I'm going to be fixing this slime because it's not really stretchy, and I'm going to be changing color. So I already just in color red, and why now it looks so weird. So it's not even gonna work, I don't think. It's not stretchy. The only stretch it has is a little bit. See, it's all together. It's stuck. Okay. You are unfixable. Sorry. But you just look like a super scary Halloween slime. You're not even a slime, really. You're like a dried up Play-Doh. Okay, never mind. I'll skip to my other slide. Since he's no, don't worry. I'll actually try to fix him. Oh gosh. You just keep on flipping over though. I don't. Now I just got some red all over my hand. Not even some. What? I'm just trying to push the color in. I don't know why. Even like cutting it. Oh, I still see some green in here. Look at this. It looks like a red mess. It's not even together. Look like strawberry red, but this looks more like some, I don't know, like Halloween. This wasn't even supposed to look like Halloween. It doesn't look like Halloween. I'm disappointed in this slime, but it's okay. Because I have my other slimes. So, my other slimes that are actually nice. I have them right here. They will share forever. I take off the comb. Then I do this. You are trapped. Oh gosh. It isn't thick, so. I hope I don't get red in this slide. Because I can like this slide. It has too much glue that I don't think it's going to turn red. But I am going to make it turn into a Halloween slime. Since this red is so Halloween, I'm going to make it Halloween. Ah. So now, it's time to mix it all together. Like that one couldn't do. But I'm pretty sure this one can do. See, slime should be slimy, not hard. I almost said sticky. I don't know. This is just turning purple. And I wasn't home to mix colors, but I guess I mixed colors. Looks okay. This is going to be my new Halloween slime. I guess I would need to add more red. More red. I use so much red that I'm out of red. So you know, I don't know if I'm gonna be red. Oh gosh. I want to be red, I said. Don't spray. For May. Okay. There you go. There you go. Oh no, I had too much red. No, he's so